Hey everybody, I just want to give you a quick instructional video about how to use the microscopes in class this year with all of the concerns that we have about things being sterilized. It is important that you follow the next couple of steps very closely. The first step when you're ready to use the microscope is you need to sanitize your hands. I know you do it when you enter class and when you leave class, but let's do it again before we use our microscopes. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to pick a microscope and this microscope station, and you're going to stay at that station. You're not going to move around to other people's stations. You're going to have just one station for yourself. The first thing you want to do before you even get started with the microscope is you want to assume that the previous person didn't clean it after they were done. And you want to get out a wipe so that you can sanitize it. Okay, and when you're sanitizing it, you want to focus on the main points that you're going to contact first. The first one being the eyepiece, and using the wipe to clean all around it and on the glass and down it here. You also might use this part here to rotate it, so cleaning here is important. Another important part that's really important to clean are these objective lenses, because you're going to use these and rotate them. So wipe them down on the touch points on the side so that they're all nice and clean. You're also going to use the coarse and fine adjustments on the side, so wiping them down on the face and all the way around is important too. Coming around to the other side and cleaning this and getting the power button on the back as well. With any extra sanitizer that you have on your wipe, just kind of get the base of it and get the light and anything else you might touch, the stage, the clips, okay? And even the arm of the microscope here, okay? So once you've sanitized the microscope, and you can sanitize the area you're working in as well, as if it's a brand new seat that you're sitting down in. You only need a small space about this big. Okay, and that's about all that one wipe can do. So once your station and your microscope is sanitized, it's ready to be used. The next thing you're worried about is coming over and getting yourself a specimen. Now, the specimen should be set up so that you really don't have to touch a lot of boxes to figure out which ones you want. I may even lay out specific ones that you can take. So let's say I have laid out here a muscle cell slide, and you would like to look at this muscle cell. You're also, because this is something that other people can touch, you're going to want to wipe this down with an alcohol wipe too. So if you have some left over from your previous one, that works. I think I threw mine away already. If you need to take out another one, we are no shortage of wipes, so use what you need. Wipe down the slide, and I can show you this way. You can wipe both sides of it. Alcohol is not going to damage any of these things, so it's just best to be safe. Again, with any extra moisture that you have in your wipe, you could wipe down your hands again. You could wipe down more of the microscope. You could wipe down more of your area. You could wipe down your seat that you're going to use if you're going to use a seat. So just kind of use the wipe until it's used up, and then you're ready to go. So you're going to place the microscope in its ready position and follow the instructions from our other video. Once you are done using your microscope, I want you to take this wipe or this slide and return it to the station. Now, you do not have to clean it. It was cleaned before it was used, and it will be cleaned before it is used again next time. When you're done with your microscope, you can also leave it uncleaned. I will take care of cleaning them between classes, and I will, and all students will clean it before it's used as well. So you can just leave your microscope, make sure it's powered off, and you're all good. I hope that you enjoyed using the microscope. I hope you enjoy using the microscope in class this year, but you must follow these instructions to be safe and healthy. Have a good day.